Welcome to this YouTube channel, the Becoming series, where we explore the ideas, lessons, and real-life experiences that shape professional growth in a changing world, and stepping into greater influence as we grow.
In the professional world, change is the only constant. But what do you do when the entire foundation of your career begins to shift beneath you? This is the core question we're answering today. Welcome back to the Becoming series. Every professional faces a crossroads. Today, we're talking about what happens when your path needs a complete reset. There comes a moment in many careers when you realize the path you chose may no longer take you where you want to go. Industries change,
the fashion industry evolves, and sometimes entire roles disappear. When that happens, working hard at the same thing is not the answer. Sometimes the answer is something deeper: reskilling. We previously discussed upskilling, strengthening the skills you already have. But when strengthening these skills is no longer enough, that is where reskilling comes in. This is the second of 3 strategic moves that shape modern careers: upskilling, reskilling, and upscaling. Reskilling becomes necessary when your current lane is no longer the lane that will take you forward. In today's fast-changing work environment, this moment comes for more people than we realize. Reskilling is learning an entirely new capability so you can move into a different type of work. It's about learning something new, not just improving the same skill. For example, an accountant learning data analytics, a customer service agent learning digital marketing, a technician learning automation systems, a fashion designer like me learning new apps to enhance my pattern-making skills. These shifts are common because technology is replacing tasks and industries are evolving. Professionals find their experience is no longer aligned with where opportunity is moving. As you can see, we've integrated the new algorithms. The results are already transforming our workflows. This update will redefine how we approach data. We're excited about the possibilities ahead. Early in my career working in aviation, I saw functions introducing automation and systems replacing manual tasks. Many experienced professionals stayed in the same role, but the environment was changing. The people who continued to grow were those willing to learn something completely new. They moved into new areas like airport systems, operations coordination, or digital platforms. The difference was not just experience, it was the willingness to start learning again, the willingness to be a beginner again. This uncomfortable step often unlocks the next stage of growth. How do you know when it's time to reskill? There are clear signals. Our industry is shrinking. Technology is replacing the core tasks of your role. Promotions are becoming rare. New job opportunities require skills you were never trained in. These signs simply mean the direction of opportunity is shifting and careers must adapt. Reskilling requires 4 key things. 1. Awareness. Understanding where industries are moving and which skills are becoming valuable. Humility, accepting that you must learn again, sometimes from the beginning. Deliberate learning, committing to courses, certifications, training programs, or mentorship. And 4th, patience. Reskilling is not an instant upgrade. It is a transition, a shift from one professional lane into another. One way to think about it is this: upskilling strengthens your current lane. Reskilling prepares you for a different lane. But there is a third move many professionals overlook. Even when your skills are strong, growth doesn't automatically follow. Because skill alone is not always enough, you also need visibility and influence. That is what we will explore in the next episode: upscaling. Thank you all my viewers and listeners. Hope you benefited. Take care and God bless you always. See you in the 3rd episode, upscaling.